Hello all. Welcome back to channel. In the previous video, we clearly understood what governance in GRC means and why it is the foundation of GRC. Now, the next important question is, how does governance actually work inside a real organization? Governance is not just one thing, it exists at multiple levels. In this video, we will clearly understand corporate governance, IT governance, information security, governance, how all three are connected. This video will help you understand how decisions flow from business to IT to security. Corporate governance, business level governance. Corporate governance is the highest level of governance in an organization. It defines how the organization is. Directed, controlled, monitored corporate governance focuses on business objectives, ethics, accountability, and stakeholder interests. Purpose of corporate governance. The main purposes of corporate governance are: ensure the organization is run responsibly, protect stakeholder interests, maintain ethical behavior, provide oversight to management. Corporate governance ensures that the organization is moving in the right direction. Examples of corporate governance decisions. Examples include approving company-wide policies, defining risk appetite, setting business objectives, ensuring legal and regulatory compliance. IT governance, technology-level governance. IT governance is the bridge between business and technology. IT governance ensures that IT supports business goals, IT investments deliver value, IT risks are managed. Key focus areas of IT governance. IT governance focuses on IT strategy alignment, value delivery, risk management, resource management, performance measurement. Information security governance, security-level governance. Information security governance focuses on protecting information assets. It ensures that confidentiality, integrity, and availability are maintained, security aligns with business goals, security risks are controlled. Purpose of information security governance. Information security governance defines security strategy, assigns security roles and responsibilities, approves security policies, provides oversight on security risks. Relationship between corporate IT and security governance. Corporate governance sets business direction. IT governance supports that direction using technology. Security governance protects technology and data. Real-world example, easy to understand. A company decides customer data must be protected, corporate governance. Cloud systems will be used securely, IT governance. Strong access controls must be implemented, security governance, together. These decisions ensure controlled and secure operations. Thank you. In the next video, we will dive deeper into governance building blocks, including policies, standards, procedures, guidelines. Thank you for watching.